Hi, I'm Kevin from Carleton Landscaping. Today I'd like to show you what landscape lighting can do to your home. Safety, security, and of course aesthetics are something that landscape lighting really helps to do for your home. The homeowner is going to love coming home at night when it gets dark. His walkways is lit up so he doesn't have to fumble with a flashlight on his phone to get to his front door. Another thing that we do is a really clean, safe installation. The homeowner is never going to have to worry about his lights not working. There's a fuse for safety. Everything is buried 6 inches below ground. We use only premium grade landscape lights. They have a 10, 15 lifetime year warranty. He's on the maintenance program. We come and check it every 6 months, and he knows that his system is going to last basically for years. And of course, we try to be as energy efficient as possible using environmentally friendly fixtures and lamps. The lamps are low power LEDs, most of them are only 2 watts. We have a transformer that basically runs on a photocell, turns on when it gets dusk. It's on for 4 hours, then it automatically turns off, and it's a real good energy saving system. So it's just about sunset. Let's set up the camera and see what landscape lighting can do to transform your home today.